Welcome to our deep dive into the semiconductor industry. Today, we explore the critical role semiconductors play in modern technology, the challenges ahead, and the exciting innovations on the horizon. Let's get started. Semiconductors are the backbone of modern electronics, essential for everything from smartphones to cars. This report synthesizes insights from multiple perspectives, including financial expectations, operational challenges, growth drivers, and strategic priorities for 2024. Semiconductors, primarily made of silicon, possess unique electrical properties. Integrated circuits, or ICs, are crucial for manufacturing and scaling modern electronics. Let's look at the key stages of the semiconductor value chain. 1. Design: creating chip designs using electronic design automation tools. 1. Manufacturing: processing silicon wafers in cleanrooms to create and assemble chips. 2. Integration and consumption: integrating chips into end products by EMS and OEMs, then distributing globally.
The semiconductor market is vast and expanding. In 2020, the global market size for EMS and ODM was approximately $0.58 trillion, with 1.40 trillion semiconductor chips shipped. TSMC leads the foundry market with a 55% share.
India's semiconductor mission aims to boost local industry capabilities. Key projects include Tata's plan to establish a fab and OSAT facilities by 2027 to 2028, and CG Power's collaboration with Renesas and Star Microelectronics.
The industry faces high costs, supply chain disruptions, and geopolitical tensions. However, demand driven by AI, 5G, and data centers is expected to fuel growth. Addressing these challenges is crucial for sustained expansion.
The CHIPS for America Act proposes a $50 billion federal incentive to boost U.S. semiconductor manufacturing, potentially adding $147.7 billion to U.S. GDP and creating 1.1 million jobs from 2021 to 2027. Long-term impacts could include approximately 10 additional fabs and support for 2.13 million jobs by 2027.
The workforce comprises roles from research to administration. Key findings highlight a concentration in top states, wage premiums, and significant demographic representation.
85% of executives expect industry revenue growth in 2024. 70% anticipate increased operating profitability. 55% expect increased capital spending. 69% foresee higher R&D expenditures. 55% expect workforce expansion.
53% plan to increase supply chain geographical diversity. 30% believe there is excess semiconductor inventory.
Top revenue driver in the automotive sector. Second most important revenue driver in artificial intelligence. Key product opportunities, especially for AI applications, are microprocessors and GPUs.
Talent development and retention: top issue and priority. Supply chain flexibility: second most important priority. Implementation of generative AI focused on R&D, marketing, and operations.
Based on a survey conducted in late 2023, involving 172 senior executives from global semiconductor companies, with over half from companies with annual revenues exceeding $1 billion. The semiconductor industry is critical to modern technology and economic growth. Despite challenges, the future is promising with advancements in AI and automotive technologies. Strategic investments in R&D and workforce development are key to maintaining global competitiveness. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.